Hello, my little math experts. It's Mrs. Kehall here today, getting started with another math lesson. So in this lesson today, we are going to be working with penguins again. We are going to work all together to solve some more penguin problems. Right now would be a great time to get a pen or a paper, or if you happen to have a whiteboard at home, to follow along. So you can pause right now to grab that. That'd be a great time to do that. If not, we're going to get started. All right. So I'm going to be showing you a paper, and what's really cool is it is called Penguin Huddles, okay? And actually, emperor penguins, they really do gather in huddles to keep warm in the freezing cold of the Antarctic winters. So real huddles of penguins are much, much larger than only 10 penguins, and the penguins, they take turns moving to the inside where it's warmest. For today, however, we are just going to be working with smaller huddles of 10 penguins. So let's check out that form. So here we are on our form, penguin huddles. Penguins get in groups called huddles to keep warm. How many penguins do you see in this huddle? How many penguins do you notice in that huddle? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 penguins. There are 10 penguins there. So let's see what happens when we have to find out how many more penguins need to join each group to make the huddle of 10. So first, I think we need to count how many are right here. So how many do you notice are right here? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 penguins. Okay, so you need to write an equation. So there are 8 total there. Okay, so there's 8 plus how many more need to join? We don't know. So we need to put our unknown. There's our unknown equals, and the number that we need to get is 10. So 8 plus unknown equals 10. Well, what is our unknown number? What is that number that has to go right there? How many more do we need to make 10? So we already have 8. How many more do we need? If you need to, pause the video to try to figure it out. All right, let's figure this one out. So if we have 8 penguins here, I'm going to use my counting on strategy to see how many more I need. I'm going to use my fingers. So I have 8. I'm going to grab my 8 and I have to count up to 10. 9, 10. I had 2 fingers, so I know that we need 2 more penguins. Just like that. Let's see if we can do another one. Ooh. How many penguins are total right here? There are 5 penguins. So there are 5 penguins plus, we don't know how many more we need to make how many? 10. So here's our equation. We have 5 penguins here. We have to add some more, but we need to make 10. So how many more penguins need to join this group to make a huddle of 10? We need 5 more penguins because we know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's do one last one. How many penguins are here? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 penguins plus, we don't know how many more we need, so it's a question mark on our unknown box, equals, what we're trying to get is 10. So here's our equation. How many more penguins do we need to make a huddle of 10? I'm going to use my counting on strategy again. I'll show you how I do that. So I'm going to grab my 6, I'm going to grab 6, and I have to count on to 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers am I holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that I need 4 more penguins to make a huddle of 10. Wow, awesome job. Okay, let's get a little more challenging. This is so exciting. Okay, so here's a huddle of 10 penguins. 2 penguin pails are swimming towards the huddle so they can get warm too. How many penguins will be there in all when the 2 penguins join their friends? Write an equation to show. So we have to write an equation about how many there are going to be in total. So I'm going to start with how many penguin friends we have in the huddle on the ice. And I see 10 penguins. There are 10 penguins on the ice, standing on the ice. Now, there are 2 more that are going to join. So plus 2 more equals unknown. So that's my equation, but I have to solve it. So I have 10 penguins on the ledge. I have 2 penguins that are swimming below, and they want to join the huddle to keep warm. How many penguins will be there in all when the 2 penguins join their friends on the ice? Write an equation. So 10, 11, 12. There will be 12 penguins in total. Just like that. All right, let's do another one. Here is a huddle of 10 penguins. 6 penguin pails are swimming towards the huddle, but they are too far away to see. How many penguins will be there in all when the 6 penguins join their friends? Write an equation to show. So it's just like this one. There are 6 swimming below, but there really aren't. You can see that there aren't any there. But in our story problem, it says that those 6 penguins are just too far away to see. You can't see them below there. So what would the equation be for number 2? So how many are on the ice? We know that there are 10 on the ice. We need to add, it said, no, hold on. 6 penguin pails are swimming, so we need to add 6 more. And that equals, whoops, I didn't want that, unknown, because we're not sure how many there will be. Now let's add this up. 10 plus 6. Let's do our counting on. Grab your 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 penguins that are going to be in total when those 6 penguins join their 10 friends on the ice. Here is our next one. Now there's no picture, so it's getting a little more challenging. I'm actually going to zoom in here. Oh, no, I won't. Okay, this is fine. There were 10 penguins in a huddle. Some more penguins joined them. And then there were 14 in the huddle. How many penguins joined the huddle? How many penguins joined the huddle? So it says that there were 10 penguins in a huddle. So I'm going to start writing my equation. Actually, put it this way so we can still see it. 10 penguins in the huddle. Okay. Some more penguins joined them. But how many? We don't know, but they're joining, so plus unknown. And then there were 14 penguins. So then altogether there were 14. How many penguins joined the huddle? How many penguins joined them? If there were 10 to begin with, some more joined, and now there's 14. How many joined them? There were 4. 4 penguins joined them. Because if we use our counting on strategy from 10 to 14, so I have 10 and I need to keep counting. So I have 10, I'm going to grab my 10, and I have to count to 14. 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers am I holding up? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that there were 4 penguins that joined. Here's our last one. This one is a little tricky, same as this one, there's no picture. But this is going to be the one that you are going to be commenting in our comments today. There were 10 penguins in a huddle. Some more penguins joined them. And then there were 17 in the huddle. How many penguins joined the huddle? Write an equation to show. You are going to be writing your equation in the comments to show how many penguins. You don't have to do an unknown. I know it's hard. So you can just write the equation without putting the unknown. If you can find a way to put the unknown, that's great. If not, that is totally fine. All right, friends, our last thing for today is talking about the homework that is going to be assigned. So here is your homework that you're going to do at home after watching this video. More penguin problems. How many penguins need to join each group below to make the huddle of 10? Fill the empty box in each equation to show. So you're just going to fill in these unknown boxes how many more have to join in order to make the groups of 10, the huddles of 10. Down here, it is addition equations. Fill in the missing number to complete the equation, and then a challenge equation that you can do. All right, boys and girls, I will attach this with the video as well. Have a wonderful day and have fun learning. Bye, guys.